Hello everybody, how are you? This is Andreja and today I have a new unboxing video. So a couple of months ago, at the end of 2017, I was contacted by the lovely Flying Pig, the artist behind the doll shop Pink Vetch. She is a doll maker from Beijing in China and has been making dolls for over 4 years, and was so generous to send me one of her newest dolls, the adorable bunny BJD called Eudora. Let's quickly unbox this so you can see this cutie pie. So here is the packaging. The doll comes in this adorable little container. What was not expected though was that she actually sent me 2 dolls, not just one, which is insanely generous of her. Let's take off the lid. As you can see, there are a couple of items inside. First of all, we have some extra elastic, which is always very welcome. Then here is a little envelope with the certificate of authenticity. Then there is a small plastic container. Oh, that is such an adorable little watch. I love the little wings. Let me show you a close-up of the front and the back. Okay, it is time for the little bunny. Let's take it out of all the bubble wrap. Here it is! How adorable! Oh my gosh! Let's quickly check the joints. So it has regular ball joints for the ears. As you can see, they have a wide range of movement. The head can also move left, right, up, down, just as expected. The torso can also lean forward and backwards quite a lot. And this is the back side. As you can see, it has an adorable fluffy looking tail. And then if we have a look at the arms, they are jointed around the shoulders, elbows and wrists. Then we have the feet, which are very conveniently magnetic. This way it can stand safely on a metal stand or on a metal plate. I really love it whenever dolls have added magnets. Now let's have a look at the head. The head plate uses magnets too, and you can also see the way that the ears are strung. I've always found it fascinating, all the different ways that dolls can be strung together. To give you some more info, Eudora was initially sculpted digitally and then it was 3D printed. In terms of measurements, it is 16 centimeters tall, 6 centimeters wide, and 8 centimeters long. As I mentioned at the start, to my big surprise, Flying Pig sent me actually 2 of her bunnies, not just one, which was so generous of her. The other box included these heart eyes. Then it also had some elastic, the certificate of authenticity, and the gorgeous watch. And here are the twins, aren't they cute? So tell me, how would you paint these? Feel free to throw some ideas at me. I was thinking of something Easter themed with lots of pastels, maybe flowers or other floral ornaments. Maybe with some golds too? What else? I could also paint it like an Easter egg. Or should I keep it more natural looking? More like a normal bunny? Let me know what you think. Also, if you have any questions about Eudora, leave it in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer as many questions as possible in my next video, which will probably be the face-up story of one of the bunnies. I really hope that you're looking forward to that. And before I go, I want to say big thanks to Flying Pig for sending this to me. You can support her work by checking her official website, and supposedly these bunnies will be released again on the 1st of April, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. And she can also be reached through Facebook or Tumblr. I will make sure to leave all of those links in the description box. Alright, that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye!